Kia ora, I'm David Chastain with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news lackluster data starting to spread. But first, American mortgage applications ticked up slightly last week, breaking its recent set of lower levels. And mortgage rates decreased as signs of slow inflation pushed Treasury yields lower. The 30-year fixed rate in the US saw its largest single-week decline since July, dropping to 6.9%. Meanwhile, retail sales in the US surged 1.3% month-on-month in October, the strongest rise in 8 months, after a flat reading in September and beating market forecasts of an expected 1% gain. But those good October results are unlikely to continue. Major retailer Target forecast a surprise drop in holiday quarter sales, blaming surging inflation and dramatic changes in consumer behaviour for a drop in demand for everything from toys to home furnishings. Their shares have taken a beating. And American industrial production was lackluster as well in October. Meanwhile, Chinese new home sales fell 1.6% in October from a year ago, according to official data. That's their largest retreat since 2015. November car sales in China are reported as weak too. And Japanese machinery orders were also weak. In Australia, their wage price index for the third quarter of 2022 came in stronger than some expected, reaching a decade high of 1% from the second quarter and up 3.1% from year-ago levels. But at these levels, real wages are falling fast. All eyes will now turn to their October labour market data due out later today. And the US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.72% and down 12 basis points from this time yesterday, and another big retreat. And the price of gold will open today little changed at $1,776 an ounce. That's up $5 from this time yesterday. And oil prices start today down $1.50 at just on $84 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $91 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today at 61.5 US cents in a minor slip. Against the Australian dollar, we're marginally firm at 91.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we've slipped back to 59.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.1 and down 30 basis points. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora.